Look around, guys. If things are okay in your backyard, look a little further, beyond your school, beyond city limits. Look far, because the world is one. While our problems overlap, so do their solutions. We share our lives and futures together. We are all looking for a better way of living. Change the things you don't like. Start now.
Oggi voglio utilizzare questo Instagram per una cosa utile.
Ognuno di noi può diventare protagonista di un cambiamento.
Don't know where to start? Try the UN Sustainable Development Goals. If you don't know what they are, take a look. They cover so many important issues. Choose which one you'd like to explore. Look at what Sarah, Porgo, Jamie, and the guys at Pillole di Parole have done. You don't need to be the President of the United States to change things. No one is alone on this earth, and change is contagious. Get together. Join the journey of those who are already on the road.
Ho dato un'occhiata a Start the Change.
Collaborate with schools, NGOs, government agencies, municipalities, European bodies. Consult with experts. Propose solutions. Inform your neighbors. Demonstrate. Strike. Report to the newspapers. The roads leading to change are diverse and often unexpected. Need a team? We are at your disposal. You can find us in 12 European countries with 1,300 educators, 26,400 students involved.
Únete al proyecto Start the Change.
Que juntos podemos Start the Change.
Anímate a Start the Change.
We are a great team together. Let's start the change.